In this video, I will show you how to connect a soundbar to the TV using aux. Now, over here is my aux cable. It is also called a headphone jack because it should be connected to a headphone port, and I will be showing you how to connect your soundbar to your TV using this cable. Now, first thing you want to do is to go ahead and turn on your soundbar. So I'll be using my remote over here to turn on my soundbar like so. Now what you want to do is to go over to your soundbar and look for the headphone jack port. Now you can see basically here there is the headphone jack on my soundbar over here. So I'll be connecting one end of the aux cable to the aux port on my soundbar like so. Now the next thing you want to do is to connect the other end of the aux cable to the headphone port on your TV. You can see the headphone jack over here. So I'm just going to connect the cable to the TV like so. Now finally, you want to head over to your remote control and change the input source on your soundbar to aux. So to do that, you just want to click on this button over here and press this button until the aux option shows on your soundbar. So I'm just going to press it like so. You can see this is USB and then this is aux. Now once it is set to aux, my TV and my soundbar are now both connected together. So guys, that is basically how to connect your soundbar to your TV using the aux cable or the headphone jack cable. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.